Seedance 2 is finally free, and most people still think you have to pay for it. In this video, I am going to show you two methods to access Seedance 2, the latest and most powerful video generation model on the market, without paying anything. I will not waste your time. Let's jump straight into it. Method 1. Open your browser and search for CapCut.com. You simply log in with your Google account, no subscription required. As soon as you enter, they show that Dreamina Seedance 2 is here and available for free for a limited time. Most times you will even get a pop-up asking you to try Seedance 2 immediately when you log in. Before we proceed, let me quickly show you a 15-second video I generated earlier on this platform using Seedance 2 completely free from a simple text prompt. The quality speaks for itself, and this is exactly why you should be using this right now. Now let me show you how to start generating your own videos with this model. Right here on the interface, when you click on Models, you can clearly see that Seedance 2 is completely free. Additionally, you also get access to Sora 2, which is a huge bonus, but for now, I will focus on Seedance 2. Videos are generated in 480 or 720 resolution, but I recommend choosing the highest quality. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds, but I will set this to 5 seconds for now to save credits. Then choose your aspect ratio, for example, 16:9 for horizontal videos. After that, describe your video idea. For example, I will type a male basketballer throwing a ball in the net, ultra realism, cinematic lighting. You can also add an image as a reference if you want more control. Once you have entered your prompt, click Generate and agree to the terms confirming you have rights over the generated content. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. These are the credits you get to continue generating free videos, and they refresh every month. A 5-second video at 720 resolution costs only 85 credits, and the best part is, the generation is very fast. You do not have to wait in long queues. You get results almost instantly. Click on Export to download the video to your device. The quality is good, the motion is smooth, and the video even comes with audio. When you run out of credits, you can log out and log in with another email to receive a fresh 300 credits. Using this method, you can keep generating content without limits. If you have watched this far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because here is the second method, and most people using CapCut do not even know about this. Method 2. If you have been using CapCut as your video editing software, you probably did not know this. When you open the CapCut software, you will see that Seedance 2 is available with free access. Once you click on it, the video generation interface loads with all the features including image to video, multi-frame, and text to video. You can choose between the Pro version or the Fast version, and the Fast version helps you save credits. If you select 480p resolution, you can generate videos completely free, but at 720p, you will use a few credits. You can then set your video duration and aspect ratio and generate. Now, if you want to convert images to video, you do not need to pay for image generators or switch tabs. Inside the same platform, go to the image generation section, and you get free access to Seedream 5 image generator, which generates very realistic images. For example, I will paste a short prompt of a man walking in frosty weather, set the resolution to 2K, choose 16:9, and generate. Image generation does not cost any credits, and you get multiple results that look surprisingly good. Once you pick one, you can immediately convert it into a video. However, Seedance 2 has some restrictions when generating videos with real faces, so in some cases, it is better to switch back to text to video. Paste your prompt, generate, and your video will be ready. If you already have CapCut Pro, then you are at a big advantage because you have more credits to generate videos. For free users, stick to 480 resolution and shorter durations like 5 seconds so you do not get charged. That's how you can access Seedance 2 for completely free using CapCut, both the web version and the software. You can even access this on your phone. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm sharing more free AI tools that can take your content to the next level. Check out the next video on your screen, and I'll see you there.